Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing posture and the two basics, breath and fingering. Place your left thumb on the back thumb hole and fingers 1-3 on top. Once done, set the right hand on holes 4-6. Make sure to hold the recorder at a slight 45 degrees angle, not vertical. Breathe from your diaphragm. A steady, gentle airstream produces clean tone. Tap the holes lightly first to test leaks. Practice the basic notes for a few minutes to build consistency before moving on. Now you learn the melody in short phrases, playing slowly at first so fingers and breath sync. Start with B a G for the opening phrase. Use left thumb plus holes 1, 2, 3 for B, then lift finger to get and G. Once done, add the higher D by covering fewer holes and slightly increasing air, which creates the octave shift. Make sure to count the rhythm out loud, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and to keep steady tempo before linking phrases together smoothly. To finish, focus on linking phrases and controlled endings. Play through the entire tune, connecting short sections with slight overlap so the melody flows. Keep tempos consistent. Once done, use light tonguing. Say two to start notes crisply without harsh attacks. Make sure to slow down problem measures, then gradually speed back to performance tempo. If you get squeaks or unstable pitch, reduce your air pressure, retest finger seals, and shift the recorder angle a few degrees until the tone stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.